Can't find your sent messages on Android? You're not alone. This issue is often caused by system limits, app permissions, or message storage rules. In this video, I'll explain why it happens and show you 4 quick ways to fix it. Part 1. Why can't the program detect the sent messages on Android? No permissions, cloud or app storage, Android mismatch, security block, third-party RCS, SIM storage, not default app, deleted data, USB issues, software limits. Part 2. How to fix can't detect the sent messages on Android. Fix 1. Turn off advanced messaging function from Messages app. Open Messages, tap Menu Settings, turn Advanced Messaging off, confirm. Fix 2. Disable RCS via Google Messages app. Open Messages Profile Settings, RCS chats. Turn off, confirm, restart optional. Fix 3. Disable RCS via Google's deregistration web page. Open a browser, search Google RCS, disable, choose without previous device. Enter number, get code, verify RCS disable. Fix 4. Turn off advanced messaging on Samsung Messages Galaxy only. Open Samsung Messages menu, settings, chat, or advanced messaging. Turn off, confirm, restart.